Have you ever updated your Android Studio only to be met with a frustrating build error? It can really throw a wrench in your development plans, right? If that's you, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the build errors that can occur after updating to Android Studio 3.0 Canary 2 and how to fix them. I totally get it. You sit down, excited to use the latest features, and then boom, an error message pops up. You're not alone in this. Many developers face similar issues after updates, and it can be incredibly annoying. Let's take a closer look at the specific issue at hand. One user recently reported, "After updating to Canary 2, I encountered a strange build error." They shared the error message, which included invalid drawable references and a failed task. Sound familiar? If so, let's work through this together. So, what could be causing this build error? It often stems from compatibility issues with resources or changes in the build process after an update. We'll break it down step by step to help you identify the root cause. And stick around, I have a crucial tip at the end that will help you avoid these errors in the future. To begin resolving the build error, the user should check the drawable resources in their project. Specifically, they need to locate the file mentioned in the error message, which is values.xml. Next, the user should ensure that all drawable resources are valid. This includes checking for any missing images or incorrect file formats that could cause the build to fail. After validating the drawables, the user should clean and rebuild the project. This can be done by navigating to the Build menu and selecting Clean Project, followed by Rebuild Project. If the issue persists, the user should check their Gradle configuration. They may need to update the Gradle version or the Android plugin version in the build.gradle file. Finally, if none of these steps resolve the issue, the user can look for additional error messages in the console output. These messages can provide further insights into what might be causing the build failure. Fun fact, did you know that the first version of Android Studio was released in 2013? We've come a long way since then, but build errors still love to sneak up on us. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution from another user suggests changing your PC's regional format for numbers. They recommend setting it to a format that uses a dot as the decimal mark, such as English US or UK. That wraps up that answer. Let's move on to another one. An alternative solution from another user suggests reverting to an earlier version of Gradle. They recommend changing your Gradle version from 3.0 Alpha 2 to 3.0 Alpha 1. Here's the tip I promised. Regularly check your resources and keep them updated. This simple habit can save you from future headaches. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to resolve the build errors after updating to Android Studio 3.0 Canary 2. Remember, staying proactive with your resources is key. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips, and don't miss our next video where we tackle common Android development challenges.